Have you ever wondered where real confidence comes from?
The kind industrial manufacturers need to modernize so they can chart the path to growth.
How do you drive commercial excellence?
Defining and redefining product strategy.
This is the next big jump for manufacturers to drive breakthrough value for their clients and really redefine this industry.
EY teams wake up every day to help industrial leaders tackle their most pressing challenges, because you're strapped with technical debt.
The formula that many manufacturers have used for decades will not be the same formula in this new connected, data-driven world.
Outdated ERP systems, lack of access to good data, inability to really forecast and move as fast as the industry is evolving right now.
And the capital needed to transform the way you operate is hard to unlock.
Their IP, their supply chain, distribution, channel relationships, how can you leverage or even sweat some of these assets to access new revenue pools in the broader value chain to drive new growth?
All at a time when investing in innovation is a competitive necessity.
Competitive intensity is increasing. It goes beyond just product innovation. We're talking about innovative business models.
Every industrial CEO is really looking at innovation as a top-line growth driver.
We believe the ones who lead through it are those that know which levers to pull and when.
What are those levers in today's environment? It's reimagining production, it's differential growth, it's digital operations, and it's AI. What if you could more seamlessly reimagine production in the face of changing customer demands?
Shift from just selling products to selling products and services. How do we truly create signature moments for them?
For example, at EY Nottinghamsburg, it's a full-service ideation, prototyping, design, build center with a full shop floor where we build prototypes of our clients' new products, and then we integrate those with the digital backbone, all in the same place, show our clients what's possible.
Companies are totally reimagining those processes, significantly reduce the cost while improving the service levels, rethinking where work is actually being done, and seeing 40-50% savings by really rethinking and reimagining some of those transactional processes.
We're working with a client as they're considering where to locate manufacturing and contemplating whether or not to reshore to the U.S. We started to really identify other value levers that tax could provide to that analysis, whether it be tax incentives for relocating into a certain jurisdiction, looking at different transfer pricing options, where to possibly move the IP and own it in a tax-efficient manner.
How will you create differential growth?
You have to become the value orchestrator of the entire value chain and the ecosystem to truly create value at scale.
We were helping a global industrial logistics company. What would have traditionally been seen as a procurement organization, a cost item can actually be translated into a revenue item. And how did we do it? We took that purchasing power they had and were able to create a group purchase organization with some allied services and create the next $2 billion of market cap for this company.
We see M&A as a critical lever around driving that innovation and acceleration of their agenda. Companies that are actively managing their portfolio typically outperform their peer sets 3 times from a total shareholder return perspective. So one of the last deals I personally worked on was a large, complex integration that spanned the US, Argentina, Australia, and multiple geographies, and was basically doubling the business on day one. And so what markets, what customers, and where do they have the ability to scale the business, both from an end market perspective, but also technology and innovation that the two companies were bringing together.
How will you digitally enable operations?
By employing advanced technologies, leveraging AI in terms of product development and segmentation, as well as looking at their overall operating models, companies can position themselves for growth, especially in an ever-changing environment. It allows them to be more responsive to their customers' needs, and it allows them to adapt as they need to across all their supply chain operations.
Business model innovation is critical in our marketplace today because all these products that have to be now connected that are both physical and digital, it's extremely complex to do. You have to deal with software, hardware, data, and all these platforms. They all are interconnected.
What's needed to harness AI to deliver practical innovation?
There's nothing to be afraid of when it comes to embracing new technologies. We just need to be able to prioritize what makes sense and what problems we're really trying to solve.
It is very critical that your AI strategy is linked to your business strategy and your business outcomes. With AI, you have to rewire the DNA of the company.
Companies have years and years and years of research that they're able to load into these models and really lever the power of AI to identify new applications, new markets, new products.
And when are protecting and modernizing the enterprise the catalysts for growth? With more than a century of capital markets experience and billions invested in cutting-edge technology, EY works hand in hand with thousands of industrials companies to innovate what they make and how they make it.
We bring the financial acumen together with the industry expertise to really focus in on P&L impacts and true value creation so you can see true outcomes.
We have the #1 tax brand, and what that brings along is confidence. Confidence that you're going to get the best people, the best ideas, and we're going to bring our global scale to that.
We like to be journey partners. We like to invest our own capital into our clients' success. We want to see what is their strategy, constructively challenge them on it, and then help them think through not just how they can be a better organization, but how they can be more profitable, how they can use their own entitlements to create new revenue streams and new products.
That's what we deliver, the confidence to create value that drives outcomes.